Hi friends, in the introductory session on AI agents in last video, we went through what an AI agent is, what are some of its challenges and impact, and how to use it responsibly to get the maximum impact. If you have not watched that video yet, please click here to watch it before you dive deeper with today's video. Today, we'll get introduced to AI agent frameworks, its key components and features. Introduction to some of the most popular AI agent frameworks of today, such as Phidata, AutoGen, LlamaIndex, CrewAI, LangGraph, and AutoGPT. We'll then conclude and talk about upcoming videos in AI Agent series. So, what is an Agentic AI framework? It's a set of platforms or libraries designed to build autonomous agents capable of perceiving input, processing, and performing action. There are many frameworks that have gained popularity as of 2025. Here are some key components of the AI agent framework that play a significant role in their autonomy and decision-making. Agent architecture has structures to define the internal structure of AI agent. Environment interfaces connect agents to their operating environments such as simulated or real world. Task management has systems for assigning, defining, and monitoring the tasks by agents. Communication protocols define methods for interaction with learning mechanisms, and implementation of ML algorithms allow agents to improve their performance. Integration tools contains libraries for connecting agents with APIs, external data source, and other software systems. Monitoring and debugging features allow developers working on agents to observe agent behavior, track their performance, and identify issues early. Let's look at some of the features of AI agents that improve performance and efficiency of AI agents. By providing pre-built components and best practices, these frameworks significantly reduce the time and effort. Frameworks support the development of systems ranging from simple single-agent applications to complex multi-agent environments. With the simple design and abstraction complexity, frameworks make advanced techniques more accessible. Frameworks promote consistent approaches to common challenges, facilitating collaboration and knowledge sharing in the community. So, why are these AI agent frameworks popular? Let's dive right in. Phidata is a multi-model agent framework with a collaborative performance. It supports text, audio, and images. It uses visual interactions. It's a pioneering agent RAG for knowledge-based search. It's suitable for domain-specific applications with special agents. AutoGen. This is an open-source framework designed to build advanced AI agents and multi-agent systems. It supports large language models and conventional APIs. It gives the ability to customize roles and behaviors. It has built-in error handling, task recovery, and documentation. LlamaIndex. It streamlines data integration and retrieval for AI agents. It has tools to connect LLMs with various data types, flexible indexing for different data structures, and contextual query engine for precise responses. CrewAI. It's framework for multi-agent systems. It allows development of collaborative AI agents with defined roles and goals. It has user-friendly APIs for creating agent teams and is suitable for research teams or real-life scenarios. It's easy to use. LangGraph. It's a graph-based framework. It offers stateful agent development with fine-grained control, complex task handling, and automated decision-making. It's suitable for use cases requiring dynamic decision-making and human intervention. AutoGPT. This is based on the robust GPT-4 language model and can execute goal-oriented activities through language input. It has iterative task execution process for efficient workflows. Its multi-step goal decomposition helps break down complex tasks. It has dynamic task generation based on evolving requirements. In conclusion, each framework has its strengths and is suited for different use cases and complexity levels. While LangChain offers flexible and intuitive method for creating LLM-powered agents, CrewAI is focused on creating collaborative role-based AI systems. Microsoft AutoGen, on the other hand, offers adaptable framework used to build multi-agent systems with task completion abilities. When choosing an AI agent framework, consider factors such as complexity of your project, the level of collaboration required between agents, and the specific tasks you need to accomplish. This approach will help you choose an AI agent framework most suitable for your specific use case. With that, we've come to an end of this video. In the upcoming videos, we'll take a look at some of these AI agent frameworks in more detail. For learning more about each individual AI agent frameworks and more educational videos in Agentic AI series, keep watching AI-powered software engineering. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.